Today I'm at 1554 North Talman. That's Talman and North Avenue in a really large 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment that's between California and Western. There's the front door, central heating and air conditioning, really big closet. Great kitchens. Normally these appliances would be at the ceiling, so I'm going to say there's probably 9-foot ceilings here. The living room space here. The great view of downtown. It's a very sunny day. Dining area back here, a room for an in-home office. Nice covered balcony or patio if you'd like. Going down the hallway, in-unit washer and dryer. The common bathroom has a utility or a linen closet in it. Tub and shower combination. Bedroom number 2 is small, but would hold a queen-size bed without a problem. Again, it's got a great view of downtown. These organized closets. This unit has tons of closets. Across from this room is another linen closet. This bedroom is huge. Take a look at the floor plan that should be attached somewhere to the video. Again, it's great views. A really nice big walk-in closet here. Semi-customizable, I always like to say. Big bathroom with a double vanity. Nice big walk-in shower.